It's snack o'clock up in here. Open wide. Never mind.
Rude.
Sorry, not sorry.
That's how it's gonna be? Fine. I've got my own worms to deal with. Literally.
Worm number 2, please. Gah! What did you do?
What? Oh, gummy worms and real worms. That's quite the mix-up. Whoops! Is today beautiful or what?
Oh, hey, you are glowing today.
Why should I be? Don't you just love Wednesdays? Yay! Uh-oh, what was that thud? My stuff?
Not so happy anymore, huh?
I guess not.
You should have seen your face.
Oh yeah? Maybe Wednesdays aren't so great.
Yikes. Oh well.
Hey, get out of here, okay? Wait, I know. Whoa. Who stuck gum under here? Ick. I just need this cardboard. This day is about to get a lot brighter. See? Isn't it prettier already? Last one. Perfect for all of my stuff. No more backpack needed. There's a new bag in town. Adorable, right? Well, what do you think? Isn't it so me? And the best part? There's literally a spot for everything. Look, Cody.
What? You made that? But how? There are so many compartments, even for your markers.
I know. Don't forget down here. I have my pens in there. I'd better get my notebook ready. Class is about to start.
You're really talented. Huh? Eyes up here, students. These problems won't solve themselves. Man, I hate math.
Okay, think. Oh, I can't write with this or this. Good thing I've got backups. Math mode officially activated. Hey! That's unfortunate. But I can still use it, I think. Yep, okay. Carry the 7, add 2, or subtract 2. Almost done.
Huh? Look at her go! She's like a modern Albert Einstein. Hey, stop! Look!
What? Oh no! Ink explosion! It's everywhere. Whoops. Now what do I do?
Your math paper is totally ruined. Rough stuff.
Yeah. Oh no! What happened to the teacher? That's not good. Focus. I've got to fix this mess. Rubber tape to the rescue. Just keep it on coming. Yep, all the way to the end. Perfect. And you sit right on top. Meow. New pen. Who this? Horrific writing utensil, I'd say. No more ink explosions here. Just smooth sailing. Mathing. See?
What? You fixed it?
Yeah. Meow.
Oh yeah? Whatever.
Problem solved.
Let's see here.
A job well done. Organization makes for healthy thinking. In you go.
And as the sun set on the little town, just think of the symbolism.
Yep, totally.
Hey, those eyelids are looking heavy, bro. Night-night. Epic. What else can I stick to her face? Easy. And what on earth? Young lady, hello?
Oh, what happened? Where am I? Oh no. Sorry about that.
Bored, are you? That mess!
Oh, I'm sorry. How'd all this stuff get over here? I swear, it's not mine.
Then whose is it? No, not mine. I've got my stuff here, see? Well, it's yours.
Oh yeah? Then I'll take care of it. Is that better? So many colors. And the rest? I've got this. Just give me a little time. I have to connect some things. See? Perfect fit. But I'm not quite done yet. Let's go and keep them coming. Phew. Last one. Then wrap them around here. And just like that, it's ready. There. It's just perfect. I call it the mess corrector. Cool, right?
Hey, check it out. Looking good, girl. Sweet dreams, huh?
Haha, very funny. Extra cheese was the move.
I like my cheese with a side of scorpion. Have fun, little guy.
Huh? What is it? Ah!
Gotcha! Scared, are ya?
Ew! He did what? I know, right? Then what'd you say?
Boo!
What? Alien!
Nope, just me. Tricked ya!
What's the matter with you? Sorry, yeah. Hello, Cody?
Hope you brought your umbrella today.
Huh?
Didn't predict rain, did ya?
Not funny.
That was close. Oh yeah, gotta take a leak.
Wait a minute. Time for some payback. I'm gonna get him so good. And he's never gonna see it coming. He wants to make it rain? Then watch me make it pour. This is no ordinary water gun, but he doesn't know that.
Cool water gun. Hey, you wanna play, huh? Okay then, you can run, but you can't hide. No?
Aha!
Where could she be hiding?
Over here, bro!
Hey, man down! I'll get you! Prepare to get soaked!
Hey!
Phew! Game on!
I got you.
You got my heart for sure. Wow. What's he talking about? Squares, spheres, and triangles. Can you draw these? Let's try, shall we?
That's not too hard. I need the right tool, though. I can't find it anywhere. Weird. I'm sure it was here. I'll just use this. Steady, steady. Well, any good? I suppose those lines could be straighter. Maybe I'll try this one. Just gotta keep my hands steady.
Interesting.
What?
What's going on?
Sorry, I'm trying here.
Trying? Trying what, exactly? Is that a circle? I know that tape is. I have an idea. How about... Oh, yes! I think I can do something with this. There. I'm seeing stars, people. That means just one thing. Star sprinkles. Oh yeah. Here's where things get interesting. I can use this ruler as a guide. See? I'm making my own ruler. Bet you've never seen that before. All done. And to keep it in good shape, a protective layer of plastic ought to do it, with some stars, of course. Just trust the process, okay? I just need the ones that stick. See? I made a ruler, baby! Why don't you use this?
Huh? Where'd you get this?
The ruler, it's for you.
Awesome! Thanks! Now I have a straight line to follow. Geometry class better watch out for me now. Look!
Oh, I am. Wow. Okay, class, time is up. Hand them in. Let's go.
No problem. I'm finished.
Those angles. So sharp, so accurate. And you? What?
I so nailed it.
I must have forgotten mine. Forgot? What else is new? My bad.
Time to add the ruler to my stash. And I have just the spot for it. See? Perfect fit. I'm not surprised. Oh yeah, my one true love. My sweet, sweet Cody.
What's she writing over there?
Hey, no peeking, okay?
I gotta see it.
You can't see this. Stop it! Oh no, he got it.
Well, this is awkward.
I can't believe this.
She was writing my name? Jeez. Hey, it's okay. Come on.
What do you want?
Can I see the rest? Please?
Fine, just take it.
Oh, thanks a lot. I'm gonna make things right. I promise you won't be disappointed. You like writing on chalkboards, right? Then check this out. All you need is some chalk. All done. What do you think? Hey, come on, it's for you. Just look, okay?
What?
You can write whatever you want and erase it just as easily. You see? Get the message? It's for you!
Me? You love me?
Yeah, I kinda do. So...
Yep, it's happening. Mwah. Hey, get out here right now.
See ya!
Coming!